Let's use texture animation. Here, we are going to create texture animation by using multi-layered texture function. I'll explain on the user interface of version 2.55. The image is displayed. The video I'm going to play is a part of the demonstration video I use on Blender Market. This time, let's reconstitute the expression of this girl. The expression of this girl seems like using one video texture. However, it actually uses 3 layers of texture plus video texture. From the bottom, skin texture, white eye texture, eyeball texture, and video texture for expression. Currently, material for expression is added to the character. This material already has UV map. Let's create. With pastel action, add multi-layered texture node. The name of material is changed and node is added. Next, add skin texture to the base texture. Change to texture property. Choose base texture in selection of texture user. Open texture. Select skin texture to open. It's a base texture, so it will be reflected instantly. Now, let's add the first layer of white eye texture. Select first layer 1. Open texture. Open white eye texture. Texture other than base texture requires procedures to reflect texture, so let's reflect here. With texture switch, select white eye. White eye is reflected. Now, we add the second layer of black eye. Select second layer 1. Select black eye to open. Reflect the second layer texture. Now, let's add the third layer expression. Select third layer 1. Expression is video texture in consecutive style, so it's in the face folder. Open folder. Select all pictures with A button. Open. Reflect the third layer video texture. By the way, this sample video was from 500 frames to 625 frames. So, let's set the starting frame of video texture at 500 frames, which is the same as the sample. Now, texture and video texture are all set. Let's render and watch. Now we have exactly the same as the sample video. I've explained basic of texture animation. Thank you for watching.